when we are talking about this patent assertion, that IP litigation in industry, it always involves patents when companies like assert their right over innovative technologies or defend against the claim of infringement. Now, this litigation, it can be a complex and a costly, obviously, because complex it is because of the technical details actually and technical analysis, and that you will require whenever you are like handling that matter. Obviously, there is a requirement of a technical analysis, expert testimony, then extensive discoveries of processes, and then the that challenges which are like faced by that companies, and then the damages calculation. All these are very, we can say, the time taking activity also and very complex activity also, and you definitely will require expert in every field.